Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing an updated brow routine showing you how I currently do my brows. To start off, I like to brush my brows in one direction. I find it a lot easier to define my shape when my hairs are all going in one direction. Going in with my ABH Brow Dip Pomade in the shade Chocolate, I'm using my EcoTools angled liner brush, and I start at the beginning of the bottom part of my brow, making small brush strokes, picking up a small amount of product as I go. In between applying the product, I like to use my ABH Brow Wiz spoolie to blend the product out, and doing it this way helps me make sure I get the perfect brow shape. When I get to the front of the brow, I like to do vertical strokes to extend the beginning of my brow, and I like to keep my brows as close to identical as possible. I like twin brows, not sister brows. When I'm doing my brows, sometimes I like to stop and compare them to make sure the shapes are going to be identical. I basically do the same thing to my other brow, except I make my arch a little higher to match my left brow. To add some dimension to my brows, I go back in with my ABH Brow Wiz in the color Chocolate, and I like to use the pencil side to add hair strokes at the beginning of my brow. Once I filled my brows in, I like to go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Biscuit. And I like to use a dual-ended angle brush, and I mark the beginning part of my brow, the arch, as well as the tail with concealer, as well as the highest part of the brow on the top. And I use these marks as the guidelines to help me evenly distribute the concealer. Doing it this way helps me use less product, plus it looks more natural in my opinion when you use less, plus it blends a lot easier. After I've blended the concealer with the brush, I go over it with the damp beauty blender, and this is basically how I've been doing my brows for the past few months, and I think it looks super natural and they always turn out looking really full. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button on your way out, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.